Accessories. Long screws. U-shaped angle iron. Long self-tapping screw. Short screw. Hammer head. Hex key tool. Small self-tapping screw. Fixing piece. Angle iron. Screwdriver. Find the short screws. Connect the bed legs to the headboard. Note, the beveled edge of the bed legs faces upward. Use short screws to secure. Install the other bed leg and secure with short screws. Find the long self-tapping screws. Align the holes and install the pull rod. Note, the pull rod is flush with the upper beveled edge of the bed leg. Use long self-tapping screws. Install the pull rod on the other side and use long self-tapping screws to fix it. Effect display. Flip the backrest with the back facing up. Place the headboard frame. Note, the top of the bed leg does not protrude from the bed backrest. The bevel of the bed leg connects with the backrest. Insert the angle iron. Find small self-tapping screws. Secure the angle iron with small self-tapping screws. Installation effect. Install the backboard. Bed end panel display. Inside the small holes at both ends of the footboard. Find the long screw. Note, the small hole on the side of the bed leg is on the outer side. Use long screws to fix the bed tail baffle. Install the bed leg on the other side. Insert the hammer head into the small holes at both ends of the bed. Place the bed frame as shown in the picture. Note, the bed direction faces down. Use long screws to fix the bed head and install the other side of the bed and fix it with long screws. Place the keel and keel support legs properly. Use small self-tapping screws to install the fixing piece connecting the keel and keel support legs. Flip the keel over and place it. Install the fixing piece on the back. Continue to install corresponding positions in the same way. Continue to install corresponding positions in the same way. Find the U-shaped angle iron. The U-shaped angle iron is flush with the keel, with the screw holes facing outward. Use small self-tapping screws to fix the U-shaped angle iron. Continue installing the other side. Align with the bed positioning holes. Install the keel in order. Use small self-tapping screws to install the U-shaped angle iron and install in order into the bed positioning holes. Leave about 1 centimeter gap on both head and tail sides of the bed boards during installation. Small self-tapping screws fixed. Both ends of the bedboard are used. 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 Installation effect display.